Hi, I am Bhumika and I am from BRDS. I am very happy to announce that I finally gotten into my dream college, and that's obviously NIFT. I have always been so passionate about NIFT, and I finally got into NIFT Kangra in FC department, that is fashion communication, the department I always wanted to get into, and there's nothing I could be more excited about. I am so grateful to the teachers of BRDS for being so supportive and also for being so passionate about seeing their students succeed. The whole experience of BRDS was amazing for me. I loved the vibe and the teaching way of teachers, and BRDS has this friendly environment that makes learning much more fun and interesting. My center manager has always guided me throughout the course, and I am very grateful for the guidance she has provided me with. Teachers are very supportive and are always ready to take our doubts. The spirit of teamwork between the students and the staff is clearly visible there. BRDS is a medium through which I was able to grow and explore a lot more. Yep, I have got into NIFT, but I still miss the days and the fun I used to have at BRDS. I have had the most amazing and productive days of my life at BRDS. Lastly, I would again like to thank my center manager, my teachers and my friends for making BRDS my second home, and also obviously for making learning much more easier for me. Thank you.